Alright, welcome everybody. This is Ghost Dog Gaming episode 31. We have only 2 trophies left before we get the platinum. One of them is buying a brand new car in the car salon, whatever, however they say it, car shop, and getting to level 50. As you can see, I'm already level 41. We are going to test out the speed of this BMW that we created, tried to make it look like the M3 from Most Wanted, but didn't really do too well just because there's not really any liveries or anything, any spoilers and stuff that you can put up there. No big deal, but today we are going to be rebuilding the engine on this Bizzarini, this Morena Bizzarini. Kind of looks like a Lambo. This is it right here, so I'm going to get right into it and keep talking. So while I'm in the process of doing this, basically what we're going to do is I've been off stream going to and from these junkyards looking for barn maps. I usually find anywhere from like 5 to 10 barn maps, and then I'll go over to I'll start using the barns to try and find the cases. I opened up a few cases, didn't really get lucky. As you can tell, I was level 41, I think, when I did the BMW rebuild. I just didn't get lucky and find anything, unfortunately. But I do have a few cases in here that I'm going to try and open. We're gonna see if we can get lucky and hopefully get some experience bonuses. That way we can get a little bit closer to level 50, and then of course obviously I will rinse and repeat the process again, because that's honestly, I think that's the quickest way. We've already gotten all of our story cars done, which is really cool. It was definitely an interesting, just like the other game, Car Mechanic Simulator, the first one. It just didn't really. There's no like build up to know if you're coming up on the last car. It's just like, fix this car, fix this car, fix this car, and then just out of nowhere, it's like, hey, you're done. You know, which I think is kind of cool. You know, you don't have to like build up to anything. So it's like, well, you know, we'll just keep it a surprise, and I kind of like that. It was definitely a surprise for the for us, for sure. If you guys didn't watch it, it's on my YouTube. It's episode 30. Alright, let's get this guy off, and then we got our spark plugs and stuff in here, I think, right? Yep. Okay. Might have to, we need like 12 of these spark plugs too. Now of course we need 12 of the ignition coils as well. I am curious to see how let's go ahead and get these camshaft caps off. I'm curious to see how fast this car is going to go. If we're going to be able to get a solid top speed, if we're going to get locked out on base because of our transmission or gearing issue, but we'll see. Hope everybody's having a good Sunday. I wanted to try and stream at least sometime this weekend. I feel bad. I won't be able to stream during the week anymore because I'm back at work, unfortunately. But we do have some good news. Is we are close to getting the platinum on this guy. Once we do, we'll move on to some other games that we can work on. I don't think I won't go as super dedicated to a game like this one, like I did with this one, just simply because there are so many games that I want to play and stream for you guys that that I just can't pick. I can't just pick one. Now there may be one that, you know, I realize I get really into it and I decide I'm going to start playing that more than the others. But we do have farming simulators coming out tomorrow, I think, the 22nd. I've already got that pre-downloaded. I'm waiting for that to basically unlock so I can start playing. I'll definitely be playing that sometime in the afternoon tomorrow. But might be able to stream, might be able to do like a quick stream of the new farming simulator and see how that is and get my first impressions on it. All right, we got our camshaft caps off. I don't know if we have any high performance V12 and camshaft. I don't think we do, but we'll take a look and take a look and see. Crankshaft off. Let's get this engine block off, and then we will start repairing the parts that we can. I don't think we need that part though, so that's good. Actually, can't remember if we actually need those parts. Water pump we need for sure. Timing chain we need. Timing cover we need. Throttle we don't. But we'll repair it anyways. The fuel rail, probably, just because I don't think we have an upgraded fuel rail. Intake manifold for sure. I don't think that's an upgraded part that the shop has. We'll go ahead and repair these camshafts just in case. Oh no! Alright, let's get these guys on. We'll start adding these parts in here, but first we'll do this. Let's get our performance parts first. We need our alternator. Our pistons, where are they at? There they are. Need 12 of them. Yikes. We'll get our fuel filter here. Go ahead and put that guy on. Okay. Rotate. Oh, I hate that sound. Alright, we got our crankshaft. That's good. Actually, let's go ahead and grab our transmission pieces here, because we got to get our piston rings, but we're also going to grab our clutch release bearing, and then our piston rings. Perfect. Alright. Get these guys on first. Okay. Alright, now that that is done, some high performance piston rings in here. Or pistons, sorry. Not piston rings. Almost done. Alright, and we need one more crankshaft bearing cap. And 4 rod caps. Okay, let's already over here, let's grab our 4 rod caps. Get our crankshaft bearing cap. Alright. Alright, we are done with the pistons. Let's get this oil pan on. There's our oil filter. Is it a V8? Oh, it's a V12. That's right, V12 oil filter. There you go. Alright, let's rotate this guy over. Let's get our alternator on. And let's start looking to see, okay, if we have engine head A. I don't know if that's actually going to be a, excuse me a second. Alright, I'm back. Yeah, for some reason I'm coughing up all sorts of mess. Let's see, so we have engine head A, engine head B. Those are non-existent, which kind of stinks because those do add a lot of horsepower. But it is what it is, so we're going to grab it from here. There we go. And I didn't see any camshafts that were V12 high performance either, so we're going to go ahead and put that guy in there. But we do need the camshaft caps. There we go. I'll grab like 10 and see what happens. We're also going to grab our spark plugs too. Just because I'm going to put the spark plugs in now, because there were a little bit of a issue when I was when you go to put these in, the intake manifold that goes over really messes with you. Oh, I'm gonna run out. So we need 12 per side. Okay. Good to know for the camshaft caps. Oh wait. No, I'm not. I got it right. I needed 10. So wheat. Get this guy on here. Get our high performance spark plug in there. Okay. So that side is done. We'll get our head cover on there. Actually, we'll go ahead and put these guys in too, just because I know we can at least get these guys in before the the intake manifold covers over it. Okay, so we need exhaust manifold B for a V12 and exhaust manifold A for a V12. Pretty sure I saw that. There's exhaust manifold B and exhaust manifold A. There we go. Alright, at least we got some high performance parts over here on this side. Okay, now let's see. Do we need to put... We need normal cam gears. Alright, let's go ahead and get this half of the engine put together. Let's grab our camshaft caps. Okay, there's our 10. I really hate that there was no Was no high performance camshaft caps, unfortunately, but oh well. You guys will see what I'm talking about when I mention how annoying the intake manifold is in just a minute. All right. Spark plug in. Camshaft cap. And then our engine head cover. And it's like, okay, I'm going to put the ignition things on. Oh, wait, I can't. This is in the way. You're like, oh, great. This is so nice. Actually, I don't think there's I'm just going to check, but I'm pretty sure there's no intake manifold for the V12, right? Yeah, I didn't think so. That would be too much work. Oh. No, these are what we want to put in. Right there. Okay. And fuel rail for a V12. There it is. Sweet. All right, and then our V12 throttles should be over here. There it is. Let's see. Power steering pump for a V12. We're going to need that, so we'll go ahead and grab that right now. Let's get these exhaust manifolds on here. Power steering pump. Yes. All right. Get this throttle on, and then we'll start working on the front. We need cam gears. Okay. I know we didn't fix that. Timing shoe chain A, cam gear. All right. Let's go ahead and get to our cam gear section. We'll get 4 of those. And then over to our serpentine belts. I think there's just one serpentine belt. There it is for the V12. Timing chain cover. I think we already have that one. So there's our timing chain. There's B. And we need 2 of those. Okay. Let's get to assembling. Serpentine belt A. Our shoes. Alright, and then our covers. I think we repaired all of our covers, actually. We did not. Of course we didn't repair timing cover A, because that's the biggest one. That's the one that counts, right? Of course. Alright, let's go get our timing cover A for our V12. Okay, then we got some crankshaft pulley. Our water pump is assembled. We did fix that. Alright, so we need 2 water pump pulleys. We need idle roller A, idle roller B, timing chain cover. That's the one that we repaired. And then our thermostat, we do not have. So, thermostat. Not. Oh, okay. Just past the thermostat. There we go. All right, let's get our water pump pulley because we need 2 of those. What else did I say? We need a crankshaft pulley, V8, one idle roller A, one idle roller B. I think that's it, right? There's our thermostat. There's our idle roller A. We're going to need a serpentine belt, obviously, but figure that out later. Crankshaft pulley. Okay. Now we need serpentine belt B for the V12. There it is. I'm going to go ahead and go back to the idle rollers because looks like we are going to need an idle roller right there where my cursor is. I think it's going to be... Oh, no, it's a belt tensioner. Look at that. Even better. Belt tensioner. Cool. Alright, and that is it for the engine. Let's go ahead and take that guy off. Oops. Where are we? There we are. There's our door. We got to get our engine crane over here. Okay. Now let's install our engine. And while we're here, we're going to go ahead and fill up on the oil, fill up on the coolant, brake fluid. I think I did the brake fluid up front already. I'll double check just to make sure. There's our power steering right there. Oop. Alright, I want to make sure... Ah, see, I didn't put a high-performance air filter in there. I knew I was forgetting something. Okay, let's get this air filter. Gotta get that extra, what was it, 1% horsepower, I think, that it just said it was going to give us. We got a whole plethora of... Because we still got to put all the gearing, not gearing, but the transmission and stuff together. So, alright. This is a rear muffler V12. Does that even exist? Rear muffler V12. There it is. Haha. 1 and 2. All right, and then our gearbox B. Gearbox B for a V12. There's an A. I didn't know there was an A and a B for the V12. Or what else has a V12 engine, though? Well, we do have the starter. Rear drive axle B. So we need one rear drive axle B. That's going to be in our normal rear drive axle B. There it is. Okay, let's get over to our other side over here. Alright, I think that's it for the car. That's 100% parts. Yes, sir. Let's go ahead and lower this down. We'll get this guy out of the way. And I want to make sure... Okay, so the frame is also messed up too. So I'll go ahead and take the body parts off. I do not like these lights. I don't feel like they did really well on the lights here. that go while I repair the body parts. I am going to see also if there's any sort of performance body parts that look a little bit better, but we'll see. All right. Let's get rid of this welder. And then start assembling. Before we do, let's go ahead and grab our license plate because we are going to need that. And then our body shop. Let's see. Why do I feel like we already have that? That is the performance headlight. Okay. Hood B, and then front bumpers B also. Front bumper B. So that means rear bumper. Everything is. So let's see what A looks like. I like those headlights better, so we're gonna go ahead and grab those. I'll be honest with you, I kind of like the performance headlights. They look more sleek, more streamlined. So we'll grab those, and we'll keep everything else the same. We don't waste too much money on this guy. Not that we're wasting money on him, because we're gonna keep him. We're not selling this guy. Okay. This guy, yeah, those headlights look way better. Those tail lights look way better than the other one. Alright. All the parts are on. 100% across the board. Oops. Let's take you to the paint shop. We'll do the interior. Ah. Alright. Wait, I didn't want to sit in it. I wanted to work on the interior. There we go. We're definitely changing out that steering wheel, that's for sure. Is there a particular seat for this guy? Is there a Bizzarini seat? I don't see, but let's double check. Nope. Seat 11, leather D. Seat 11, leather D. There it is. Two of those. Sorry, I have something. I'm trying to clear my throat. I don't know what the heck is there. All right. I don't know what kind of steering wheel I want. Steering wheel 10. Yeah, we'll do that. All right. So we've got our car. Let's see what kind of liveries we have. I gotta remember what they are. They have some pretty crazy, yeah. Pretty crazy colors here, I think is what it was. Wait, what's the difference? 1, 2. What's the difference on that one? Oh, is it the... So is it just like a black? I don't even know. They all look... It looks kind of the same, but okay. Yellow. Yeah. Ooh, I don't know about the yellow metallic color. Think so? I do like the green. The last one we had was green. We'll keep it green. Just because. Alright. Now we're going to go to the performance shop. And we're going to... Sorry, the dyno. Sorry, we're going to go to the dyno. And see just how much horsepower this guy has. 456 horsepower normally for the V12. We'll see just how much the actual horsepower increase is. Jesus. Okay, so 746 horsepower. That's not bad. That's not bad. Did we put the BMW on the dyno? Can't remember if we did or not. I want to say we did. Just to be safe, let's go ahead and, because I know that if you don't tune it when you have the gear and stuff in it, it kind of gets angry, and the gearing is off, and you don't get the full top speed. So okay. 602. I thought that said 802, and I was like, wait a minute, the math isn't adding up here. Okay. Alright, so let's go to the speed track. I already have a couple barn maps, so we'll do that later. We're going to take the... oh yeah, I bought a Nissan Fairlady Z because I wanted to rebuild it with performance parts, but I may or may not do that. I'm not sure. We're going to take the Panther first. Wheels are not aligned. Car may be driven in an odd way. Oh, that's right. We got to align the wheels. Ah, Ghost, you goofball. I'm curious to see just how funky the wheels would go too. Let's go ahead and align the headlights too while we're at it, right? Just in case we have to drive at night. Okay. Alright, let's we're gonna put this guy back onto this car lift, and then we're gonna fix the Lamborghini guy as well. Just so we don't have to do it later. When we get back, do some testing. Oh, hey, that one's not bad. Oh, no, hold on. I do like the fact that they had like wheel alignment and all those sorts of things. That's really cool. Okay, so the wheels are aligned. Our first car lift is here. We're gonna go ahead and save the game, just in case we blue screen. Game saved. Good. All right, speed track. Here we go. We're gonna take the Panther first. See just how fast it goes. We will do a top speed test for each one. Of course, it's obviously in kilometers an hour. So I will go ahead and get my kilometers per hour conversion meter thingy up. Okay. Here we go. Remember, we got to change the license plate too. All right. 3, 2, 1, and go. This is also on street tires. Yep, and I lost it. $282. $282. Why does that not seem so high? That's about 175 kilometers an hour, or miles an hour. All right, that's not bad. That's not bad. I feel like it should be faster, but it is what it is. So we have 175. Okay, so we need a license plate. I don't really know where Most Wanted took place. There's a lot of mountains and stuff. Let's go with Colorado. $175. Yeah, 175. All right. Cool. Let's get this license plate off. We'll put the new one on. So now we know that this guy is 175 miles an hour. I don't like the front license plate here, so I'm going to go ahead and take it off. Please, can I take it off? Can I take the... Oh, no, I got to switch to... There we go. Okay, so you are going to the parking. Thank you so much. Now for the big boy. Here we go. This guy has actual slick tires on, so it should be a little bit more grippy. I think that's another reason that contributed to the BMW, the FMW's car top speed, mainly because it's got sports tires, and sports tires don't grip as well. I tried to keep most of the cars that we did that are, you know, street car related, street car-esque, where you have like sports tires and things like that. Not a lot of them are going to have crazy slick tires, but this one will. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Why don't we have a 6th gear? Come on! Why doesn't it give us a 6th gear? That was what, 302? 304. 304? 302. 302? Man, 302 and it only gives you 187. That is insane. I'm kind of bummed that thing doesn't go as fast as I thought it would. But rules are rules. All right, rear license plate. Let's go ahead and get our. We'll put an Arizona one on there. H. M. What did I say it was? 187. All right, there we go. 187. That's it. I'm kind of bummed that that thing does not go faster. But it is what it is. Rules are rules. 187. So still, that is, I don't think that's not the fastest car that we have. So yeah, I found this guy in a junkyard. I was gonna soup it up and give it the old high performance build and see what happens. We're at 2,000 of 2,400. I did find a GTR R35 in here, but I didn't buy it because it was in a barn and it was super expensive. Okay, so this is going to be our final car rebuild. Oh, hello. It's a, let me make sure I have the right engine specs here. Is an inline 6 L24. I'm pretty sure we have some high performance parts in here. Oh, let's go back to the parts list. Okay, there we go. Engine head, inline 6, L24. Okay, so we do have some high performance parts, so we will soup this guy up and make this guy high performance. We're going to paint it like a, excuse me, like a deep forest green. I always like that color on this car, on these Fair Lady Z's. They're awesome. But for now, we're going to save this game, and we're going to open up some crates. We have, sell some parts first, because we can get all these parts out of here. Not 100% parts, but just the 99s. Get these license plates out of here. We don't need all these. Thank you. Get this. We don't need this throttle. As you can see, we have quite a few crates here to sell, or to open, sorry. I'm going to go ahead and use these barn maps. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, wait, sorry, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 cases. Let's see what we can do. Hopefully we can get at least a level. I'm just going to randomly guess on some of these. Hopefully we get bonus cases. I'll take bonus cases as well. We need the XP or barn location maps. I'll take that. Yes, there we go. We're level 42. That's a new tone that came out. Leveling up. All right. Oh yeah, more XP. We'll take it. Come on now, give us some XP. We don't need scraps. Get out of here. There's our XP. Another case. Barn map. We'll take it. Because I'll go through the barn maps and I'll find more. Hey, another case. All right, and some XP. That's what we want. We want case and XP. That's the key right there. Go with the middle one this time. Ah, credits. What about the back? Okay. Barn location map. Another barn map. We'll take it. Hey, beats going through and some XP. All right, and we leveled up to 43. That's good. Another barn map. XP. Yes. We have one more case. Here we go. And we got our XP. And another barn map. All right, so we have let's see. So we've got 7 more barn maps on top of the 6 that I already have. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's go ahead and search. We'll search one barn for the case. That'll give us 13 cases because there's a case in every barn, and so that's important because that's gonna get us to our level 50 as fast as we can. Faster, hopefully, because we did all the story missions. I just feel like getting the XP for doing the car jobs is not as good as it's supposed to be. So also for that Fair Lady Z build, I'll go ahead and take care of the suspension and stuff, because I know everybody has seen me redo the suspension on, you know, almost every car that's out there in this game. So pretty sure they don't want to see it again, and that's totally fine. I have no problem doing all the oh, there's our case. Let's see what kind of cars I got. I got El Camino. Where's the other one? Oh, is that a Lamborghini? Did I just see Lamborghini headlights? Oh, there's a Chrysler. Is that a Oh, it's a Skyline. Nice. Nice. Pretty sweet Skyline there. Pretty cool. All right. We got our case. We're out of here. Yeah, I'll go ahead and do the suspension, get that taken care of, do all the underside, and then we'll rebuild the engine. We'll do the performance parts for the engine rebuild, and then and that'll be the platinum trophy stream. We'll rebuild the engine on that guy. We'll buy our car from the salon, whatever, the car shop. That'll be the final trophy that we get, and that'll net us our platinum. So stay tuned for that. I don't know when that's going to be because I do need to obviously go through these barns and get these cases, obviously, to get more XP because we're only level 43. But so let's go ahead and open this case, see what we got. Anything good? Let's go with the very last one. Yeah, I felt like that was going to be one. Middle one. Okay, bonus credits. All right, so we've got quite a few barn maps here. And I don't even know if the engine is like fully complete under this guy. It's missing the bottom, so yeah. All right, so with that, I will go ahead and end the stream here, guys. I appreciate you all that came and watched on Twitch. Don't forget, if you guys are watching me on Twitch, to just kind of hit that notification or like little heads up button when I do stream, because it is a little bit random. And if you guys are watching this on YouTube, thank you for watching this on YouTube as well. I do upload these. I will upload every stream that I do. If it's not just a goofy, dumb stream or something, I try to upload it onto YouTube. So with that, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a good rest of your Sunday, and I will see you next time.